Hi, this is Jeffrey. In today's quick demo, I'm going to show you how easily you can redirect a parked domain name. So a parked domain name is, let's say you already own one or more domain names, you register another one, and you want to have that domain name that's parked redirected to one of your other domain names. There are several ways to do it, but here is the easiest way. Log into your dashboard, go to registered domain names. When the list of your domain names comes up, select the one that you want to redirect. So you notice this one says parked. Click on the P. It'll open up. Here's the domain name. And here you see redirect this host to another domain or subdomain. Click on it, and then on this line, enter the URL for the website that you want the domain name to redirect to. So enter that here, then simply click on redirect. I'm not going to do that because this one is already redirected. And then just close when you're done. And then the best thing to do is to go out. I'm opening my browser right there now. Go out, I'm opening my browser right there now. I'm going to type in that URL, press enter, and here it opens to the screen or the website where I want it to redirect that domain name to. It's as easy as that. Give it a try. If you have any questions, as always, I'm an email away.